Using Summon to find e-reference articles. Reference articles provide a good starting place for research. Reference articles will give you an overview and background on a topic and usually include citations to further research. You can use Summon to search most of our electronic reference books at once. Type in your search terms and click the Go button. This searches the entire LaSalle knowledge base within Summon. On the left-hand side, you'll see Content Type. Pick the content types Book Chapter and Reference and press Continue. You will get a search result consisting only of reference articles. The most relevant will be up at the top. Click on the one from Encyclopedia Britannica Online. As you can see, you will get a reliable definition of the topic and various aspects of the topic, like for instance the types of terrorism, in this case history of terrorism. There's additional reading, and there are also hyperlinks to other articles in Encyclopedia Britannica related to the topic. So here's one on September 11th. If we go back to the list, let's look at this one from 21st Century Political Science, a reference handbook. We're getting this on the Credo platform. Credo is a collection of electronic reference books from many different sources. This particular article is quite scholarly, giving us a historical review of the terminology, the discussion of how to developing the definition, historical examples, historical patterns, causes of terrorism, effects of terrorism. And then down at the bottom, some references to books and articles, as well as links to websites. One of the other things you can do in Credo is to search the Oxford reference online. That's one of the platforms that we have which is not searchable on Summon, although it will be in the future. But you can search it from Credo, and as you can see, you can refine by subject. So we'll take the topic of terrorism and look at the philosophical or religious aspects of it. We'll choose this article from the Oxford Companion to Philosophy, and as you can see, we've got an article which discusses the philosophical aspect of terrorism. Down at the bottom of the article, again, you will see further readings, which you can then look up in our library's catalog. Scrolling down further, we'll see an article in the Encyclopedia of Political Theory. Now in this case, the full text did not come up. What you should do is to copy the book chapter title, click on the book link, and paste in the book chapter title into the search box, run the search, and you'll find the article. And again, in this one, which is from Sage, there'll be a good list of further readings, all of which can be looked up in the library's catalog. You can also use the search box in the LibGuides to search for electronic reference. Most of our LibGuides have a search box for electronic reference. Go to the LibGuides. Any of these subjects would have one, but we're going to take a look at the one just for electronic reference. But if you were in the history or the art one, you would also find this same search box. We're going to search for the Black Death. Since it's a phrase, we're going to use quotes around that phrase. And we get our results. And as you can see, the content type has already been picked out for us, so we don't have to go in there and select the content type. And here's an article on the Black Death from the Encyclopedia Britannica. There are a lot of other articles available. If we wanted to change our search, let's make it bubonic plague, for instance. You can start typing. We might even want to pick one of the suggested searches, such as bubonic plague France. And what you notice is that the search refinements have been kept, so you don't have to go over and select the content type. That's kept for you from search to search. Thank you.